क्लास नाइन्थ। आज हम सोशल साइंस की वर्कशीट 71 करेंगे, जो हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 3 नाजिज़म एंड द राइज ऑफ हिटलर से रिलेटेड है। इस वर्कशीट में आपको दो पैराग्राफ दिए हुए हैं। आपने उन पैराग्राफ को रीड करना है और उनसे रिलेटेड जो क्वेश्चंस आपको दिए हुए हैं उनके आंसर्स आपको बताने हैं। तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे पैसेज 1 से। Read the following extract and answer the following question. Do any four. First World War left deep imprint on European society and polity. Soldiers came to be placed above civilians. Politicians and publicists laid great stress on the need for men to be aggressive, strong, and masculine. The media glorified trench life. The truth, however, was that soldiers lived miserable lives in the trenches, trapped with rats, feeding on corpses. They faced poisonous gas and enemy shelling and witnessed their ranks reduce rapidly. Aggressive war propaganda and national honor occupied center stage on the public sphere in the public sphere, while popular support grew for conservative dictatorship that had recently come into being. Democracy was indeed a young and fragile idea which could not survive the instabilities of interwar Europe. Now, questions. Choose the correct option. Which of the following left deep imprint on European society and polity? A. Media. B. Politician. C. Government. D. First World War. The answer is First World War. First World War left deep imprint on European society and polity. Now question number 2. Rewrite the sentence after correction. Civilians came to be placed above soldiers during the First World War. So answer is, correct statement is, soldiers came to be placed above civilians during the First World War. Now question number 3. Fill in the blank. In reality, soldiers lived dash lives in the trenches. तो सोल्जर्स कैसे लाइफ ट्रेंचेस में जी रहे थे? तो आंसर इज miserable. The soldier lived miserable lives in the trenches. Now question number 4. Whose lives were miserable during the First World War and why? So answer number 4 is, soldiers' lives were miserable during the First World War as they had to live in the trenches, trapped with rats feeding on corpses, faced poisonous gas and enemy shelling, and witnessed their rank reduce rapidly. Now question number 5. Why the popular support grew for conservative dictatorship? So answer is, due to aggressive war propaganda and national honor occupied center stage in the public sphere, popular support grew for conservative dictatorship. Democracy became unpopular. Now paragraph 2. अब हम पैराग्राफ 2 रीड करेंगे. Read the following extract and answer the following questions. Hitler was a powerful speaker. His passion and his words moved people. He promised to build a strong nation, undo the injustice of the Versailles Treaty, and restore the dignity of the German people. He promised employment for those looking for work, and a secure future for the youth. He promised to weed out all foreign influences and resist all foreign conspiracies against Germany. Hitler devised a new style of politics. He understood the significance of rituals and spectacles in mass mobilization. Nazis held massive rallies and public meetings to demonstrate the support for Hitler and instill a sense of unity among the people. The red banners with swastika, Nazi salute, and the ritualized rounds of applause after the speeches were all part of this spectacle of power. Now, question number 1. Hitler devised a new style of, answer is politics. Hitler devised a new style of politics. Second, state true or false. Hitler was not a powerful speaker. This statement is false because Hitler was a powerful speaker. Question number 3. Which measures did Nazis adopt to demonstrate the support for Hitler? Answer number 3 is Nazis held massive rallies and public meetings to demonstrate the support for Hitler. Question number 4. Rewrite correctly. The red banners with the swastika, the Nazi salute, and the ritualized rounds of applause after the speeches were all part of this spectacle of peace. The answer is the red banners with the swastika, the Nazi salute, and the ritualized rounds of applause after the speeches were all part of this spectacle of power, not peace. Spectacle of power. Now, question number 5. Which promises Hitler used to make in his speeches? तो कौन कौन से promises हिटलर करता था अपने speeches में? Answer number 5. He promised to build a strong nation. Second, undo the injustice of the Versailles Treaty. Third, restore the dignity of the German people. Fourth, promised employment and a secure future for youth. Weed out all foreign influences and resist all foreign conspiracies against Germany. So our worksheet 71 is finished here.